These are pleated A-line shorts, and I'm going to show you how to make them step by step. Even if you're a beginner, you'll learn how to sew pockets, install a zipper, and finish a clean waistband. Before we begin, gather the supplies: pattern, fabric, interfacing, hook, eye, zipper, and matching thread. Once everything's ready, let's dive into the first step. Start by cutting your fabric according to the pattern. Follow the lines carefully for an accurate fit, and clip according to the markings. Trace all the markings onto your fabric to guide you during assembly. Press to fuse interfacing on the pieces, then continue cutting the fused fabric. Clipping along the markings. Align the front side pocket piece on the front pants and straight stitch to attach. Top stitch the front side pocket. Next, align the backside pocket piece on the front and straight stitch along the edge to join the pocket. Turn the pocket right side out and top stitch along the side pocket edge and waistline connected to the pocket. Repeat these steps on the other pocket. Press the pockets flat. Fold the front darts in half and straight stitch to join. Repeat for the other dart and press. Do the same for the back darts. Press all darts. Serge the edges of all the pant pieces. Using a bias tape maker, make a strip of bias tape. Wrap the tape along the edges of the front fly and top stitch to attach. Align the front fly on the front opening, straight stitch to attach, and top stitch along the joined seam. Align the zipper to the front fly, right sides together. Straight stitch to attach, then stitch along the front seam until the end of the zipper. Top stitch the joined seam and along the fly edge. Fold the back fly in half straight stitch along its edge, then turn it inside out. Top stitch the back fly edge. Mark the zipper start point with chalk, align the zipper on the back fly, and straight stitch to join. Add a cross stitch at the fly's end. Align the front and back fly edges, and short stitch to join. Press the fly and zipper flat. Align the back pants at the center seam and straight stitch to join. Top stitch along the seam and press it flat. Align the back and front pants. Straight stitch along both side seams and the crotch seam. Press the pants. Prepare a strip of bias tape, top stitch to join, and cut into 5 strips, each 3 inches long, for belt loops. Align the belt loops on the waistline and straight stitch to attach the bottom ends. Repeat for all belt loops. Align the waistband pieces and straight stitch the sides to join. Press the seams then align the front and back waistband. Straight stitch the top edge. Clip the curves and top stitch along the seam. Press the waistband flat. Make a strip of bias tape and wrap it around one side of the waistband edge. Straight stitch to attach. Align and pin the waistband to the pants. Straight stitch to attach. Align and sew the waistband side edges. Turn the sides inside out. And top stitch along the seam. Repeat for the other side. Press the waistband flat. Align the brand label on the back waistband and straight stitch to attach. Top stitch the waistband. Secure the bottom of each belt loop with a top stitch, fold the top inward, and stitch to secure. Repeat for all belt loops. Fold the pant hems inward, press in place, and hand stitch with an invisible stitch. Repeat for the other hem. Mark the eye placement on the waistband and hand stitch to attach. Repeat for the hook. Give the pants a final press. And that's it! A pleat A-line shorts are ready to wear. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more sewing projects. See you in the next video!